Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Slim PDF Reader on macOS 13 Ventura and macOS 12 Monterey. Now I am going to download Slim PDF Reader. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type in Google search bar. Download Slim PDF Reader. Press enter. Click on first official website link. Click on www.investintech.com. Now website is open. Let's click on macOS download. Click allow. It is only 23.3 MB software. Now Slim PDF Reader is downloaded. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is, our Slim PDF installer package. Right-click on it. Open with installer. Let's close download. Click Open. Welcome to the Slim PDF Reader. Click on Continue. Click Continue. Click Agree. Click on Install. Type ROHIT user password. ROHIT is our admin user on this Mac. Click Install software. The installation was successful. Click Close. Do you want to move the Slim PDF Reader installer to the bin? I want keep this installer. Click on Launchpad. Click Slim PDF Reader. Our PDF Reader is open. Now I am going to open our PDF file. Click on Open. Click OK. Select this PDF file. Click Open. Now our PDF file is open, as you can see on screen. Let's close this PDF editor. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Slim PDF Reader on macOS. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.